How to fix unknown error occur during you are saving the picture or video from Microsoft Photos. Hey everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will guide you that how can you fix the problem or error like while you are saving photos or video from your Microsoft Photos, you are getting that error. So let's get started. On this process, at first, after you are trying to edit something on your Photos app and try to save from here. If you got that error, you'll have to just exit from here and close the Photos app from your PC. And after you close it, you'll have to do a right click on your Windows icon just at the bottom of your screen. Alright, after you do a right click, click on settings over here. And from the settings section, click on system. Alright, from the system, click on display. And from the display section, scroll down and go to the option graphics. Alright, from the graphics section, you'll have to scroll down and click on the option photos here. And from this section, on the sections like GPU preference, you'll have to click on that drop down. And from this way, if you have the first one or second one, you'll have to just set the settings for like high performance from here. And after you set the settings for high performance, you'll be able to fix that problem. So after you set it, you'll have to just exit from here and open up your Photos app again. And after you are trying to edit something on your Photos app, your problem will be solved now. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.